Hey guys, whether you are looking for the best welding safety glasses, deciding which one is right for you depends on several factors. What type of welding are you doing, and how much protection do you need? Getting the choice right comes down to research. We look at the 7 best welding glasses and goggles. We made this list based on our own opinion, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So let's get started with the video. Our first best pick, 3M Safety Glasses Solus 1000 Series ANSI Z87. This Scotchgard anti-fog coating has an active ingredient that binds to the lenses to help keep them clear longer than regular coatings, based on 3M internal testing. Designed for challenging situations such as hot and humid conditions, indoor and outdoor work, physically demanding tasks, and climate-controlled areas. Low-profile protective eyewear provides a soft nose bridge and padded temples for added comfort and meets the high-impact requirements. Polycarbonate lenses absorb 99.9% UV rays. For industrial/occupational use. Our second best pick, Magix Safety Glasses Industrial Goggles with Anti-Fog Lens. The length of the temples can be adjusted so that regardless of the face or head size, it is suitable for men, women, children, teenagers, adults, and the elderly. The ergonomic integrated lens design is comfortable and stress-free. High-definition anti-fog field of vision. Double-layer coating, strong hardness, and abrasion resistance, high-tech lens without fogging, high-definition transparency of UV lens, wide-angle vision with humanity design of optical glasses. It also has anti-dust, anti-pollen, and anti-allergic functions. It can reduce ultraviolet rays and block glare, protect eyes from harmful light, and have an anti-splash function to protect eyes from strong impact. Our third best pick, DeWalt DPG 94-1C Dominator Safety Glasses. Modern styling meets high-impact protection. Rubber-tipped temples provide a non-slip comfortable fit. Full frame with larger lens provides excellent coverage. Integrated rubber nose piece for longer, comfortable wear. Meets ANSI Z87.1 Plus standards. Protects against 99.9% harmful UV rays. One problem common to welding lenses is how the bridge of the nose tends to feel very uncomfortable. Thankfully, this option is built to feel very comfortable. Our fourth best pick, Ball Safety Welding Glasses. The Ball Safety Shade 5.0 welding safety glasses have polycarbonate, scratch-resistant lenses that offer UV protection. They don't form to your face, which leaves the sides open for light to get through. They have an adjustable breakaway retainer cord that could be a good thing, but we found that even the slightest touch breaks the connection and leaves your eyes vulnerable. Our fifth best pick, Novel Safety Glasses Shade 10. These Shade 10 safety glasses are the ideal thing to wear when brazing, soldering, or gas welding. They look like standard shades but have side panels that protect your eyes from extreme light. They also offer high optical quality and radiation resistance. The lenses are scratch-resistant polycarbonate, and the frames are adjustable for maximum comfort. These glasses are made in Germany and offer a high degree of quality for an affordable price. Our sixth best pick, Insight Safety Welding Glasses. I really like these Shade 12 safety glasses from Insight. They're really sturdy and hold in place well when you're wearing them. The frame also curves round for extra protection and an increased field of vision. These are suitable for most welding applications because they're so dark. They're pretty much completely black, so you'll only be able to see the arc when you're wearing them. They're a great price for the quality, and they also come with a case and microfiber bag. Insight also offers to provide a refund if you're not satisfied with the quality of them. Our seventh best pick, Pyramex Safety Emerge Safety Glasses. These Pyramex safety glasses are one of the must-haves around your garage or workshop. They're a great choice when cutting, light brazing, or using other power tools when you're not using your higher shade glasses. You can also get the same brand glasses with a +2 magnification lens to help you easier see your workpiece. The glasses are pretty stylish and are comfortable to wear with a soft nose piece. There's a little bit of space around the frame to allow some airflow so you get maximum protection without steaming up. The glasses seem a better fit for medium-wide head shapes and might be a little loose if you have a narrow-shaped head. The best thing about these is that they're incredible value. At under $10, you can get yourself a great pair of glasses for a bit of light protection around the garage. Is this video making value to your search? If yes, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future, and if you have any questions related to the products we listed here, leave a comment down below and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching guys, I hope you liked this video.